Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over what's inside the Pokemon Azure Legends Xerneas EX tin. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who may have come across this tin at your local card shop, or maybe you've come across it in your big retail stores. What's exactly inside of this tin? Now, to simply put, first you have the Xerneas EX card, which is right over here, okay? So right over here, you have the Xerneas EX card. Then you also have one Obsidian Flames pack. You have one pack of Temporal Forces. You also have one pack of Stellar Crown. And then you also have 3 packs of Surging Sparks. Oh, sorry. You have 2 packs of Surging Sparks. So again, to repeat, you have 2 packs of Surging Sparks, 1 pack of Stellar Crown, 1 pack of Temporal Forces, and then 1 pack of Obsidian Flames. So that right there, guys, is my best and easiest way to actually explain what's inside of the Pokemon Azure Legends tins. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.